In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of Sandisk high endurance micro SD card. I bought this micro SD card for my indoor CCTV camera, that is Tapo CCTV camera. It costed me around 30-50. This micro SD card supports Tapo camera, so I got this micro SD card. You can buy Sandisk Extreme micro SD card also. Since both are same rate, I gone with this Sandisk high endurance card. Let's remove this card from the pouch. You will get a micro SD card adapter and the micro SD card. Here is a micro SD card. Here is the adapter. If you want to transfer the video files, you can simply insert this micro SD card in the adapter and you can insert directly in the laptop. Take the micro SD card and simply insert it in the slot. Here you can see that. Simply press once. If you want to view the recording, simply click on playback and download. By default, I have selected cloud. Here you can see that these are the cloud recordings. If you want to view the micro SD card recording, you need to click on micro SD card. Here you can see that it has detected an event and recorded the clip. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Sandisk high endurance micro SD card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.